All right, ebusuya pay exchange rate e wo ene no 11 cedis 75 pesos no. E kire say NDC aban no e wi akoko kura ni bia e 473 cedis 25 pesos. Video we eba mo watin sem bia se na ewi a me ma be ke kire mu no watin e ma se yi. No won se na NDC aban no omo ya kronfo e na ndafo e ye nkontopfo e ye na brabafo etie NDC e ntrofo aza ene kontopofo party. She video ne brother ewi a ye be de hu nkom.
Wouldn't say ada aban ade kukubu bayen.
Okay.
The first time in the history of Ghana here to kukumu we go to $1.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. If I work calculator, or phone answer.
Yeah, calculator
also.
Sure.
If I name target to Abbey.
Okay.
After aban now to kuku a ball. Also, government of Ghana has announced a new producer price for cocoa for the 2025-2026 season.
Sure.
Setting it at 5,040 per ton.
Sure.
5,040 per ton.
Sure.
And I only born or the mine. Ukutu no $1.
Okay.
I can't see the mukra.
That $5,000.
$5,010.
Okay.
The price he quoted.
Yeah, sure.
$5,040.
Yes.
And Ukuti. We no see o sada no. Exchange rate na e wo no na e 10.25.
Yes.
10.25.
Sure.
Nti e no so e no de ahye ekuafo bo no. E nti e bema e bo no aba be ye 51,660.
Yeah, 51,660.
Me the babonten be ka say sa kontebu no mo ne ebu no e kwekura na sa kontebu no mo ne ebu no.
Emu hu.
Isan say dollar no enya bia ne bo no e begina dana o hye bo no pepepe.
Sure.
E kokoo no ye beton bi bosumi e womi bosumi e beba e kopim September next year. Enti adenti no mo me emfa average price.
Okay.
Of the exchange rate, you know, no, rather than 10.25 no more because I know what form go do. It's no help you for no.
That's great.
Dollar ne kura ba for me the American no the mepoa. Yeah. And now me no ka say.
Okay.
Dollar exchange rate na free 10.25 10.97.
10.97.
Okay. Enti o multiply by 5,040 now. The figure you get is different.
I say yenya 55,288 across ropa.
Okay, but your ton is 16 divided by 16 months.
So divided by 16, yebenya 3,455.55. Hey, and just go now, no, you turn 3,455 if we are going by their own figures now.
One cast of figures, no.
Hey, Abbey Timoding.
One figure, no. And he said, your mobile catcher is 10.25. And because of that, the yen turn 3,228.
28.
And 10.95. I didn't now turn 3,220.
Yeah. If you my grandpa so. Now you say and no yana dollar and cost be no cocoa bag be or we cocoa queen 227.55 Ghana cedi. 227.55 Ghana cedi. And I read the current exchange rate where we are.
The dollar now cost to be on and Kahukra
we are 2 million
for a project to say a Bakwa could do 13. A young call baby and any Amano Case, but tobacco be out Bakwa Tumbiano.
Or you can not 227.
Offer. I didn't remember.
Timothy, but about we are, my papa say, oh, Shammy, oh, Shana, your passing message, you know, about some Gakra. But I want to put some say here now, Begina, a year, a contomana, who are beginning body catcher and say, I buy a crown for as they do go $1,000. On the way, the money you. So with the current price of Crano and the current exchange rate, bag be out, Coco and Beton or Chinano, I buy no 227.55 Ghana cedi. The back.
I don't answer. Because on one catcher you say, or the Macrini tone piano 5,040.
Yeah, sure.
Dollars.
Sure.
And you see different exchange rate different from the Bank of Ghana for the Abbey. They make any abochi exchange rate. Abochi the authority you 12.
Yeah, abochi on 12 years.
But they make their buying and Casa Bank of Ghana at the Ama.
Now, no say cocoa price no $5,040, and then no exchange rate times 11.75, and the exchange rate 11 cedis 75 pesos. And no, calculate about $59,220. Now cocoa no almost 16 tons. It divided by 16 no amount 3,701.25 cedis. And no say so what free cocoa price on to you see anim na minus 3,228 cedis. Let's say aban no ewia cocoa kuani no 473.25 pesos. And this aban and then no per exchange rate no owia cocoa ni auton cocoa 4 million any 73 cedis that so plus coins 473 cedis na cocoa no omu wiawo enti cocoa ni na wa kwatia hunu nyansa na koto abama pipi and this now ebusuya watch 2 videos no watch a video na man no echi that time no yen calculation no na dollar no kwai 10.95 and is a dollar no 11.75. And so share second video na me dey kan ho na it explains everything for you to understand. Currently no I was like you to cocoa no 3,000 meba I was you to cocoa no meba 504 times 11.75. That should give us $59,220, right? Then what the times say divided by 16 now, it will give you just like I to go no 3,701.25 Ghana cedis. Say 3,700 Ghana cedis. So sanka yede to go back. And this aban no we cocoa kuani no 473 cedis 25 pesos. Ade na mo ya kronfo sa. Ade na mo ya akronfo sa. Ato Forson. Ade na ya kronfo sa. One CEO of Ghana Cocoa Board. Mo ya kronfo. Mo for cocoa for sika no 400 because CEO of Cocoa Board better teams be catch they say the reason why they are giving them their amount because of the dollar rate. So the dollar rate now cost right now the price I was saying cost automatically and I'm Ghana for what you say I was saying cost automatically. NDC we are confo. I'm putting it to you people until somebody will call for sika never more no me say we cocoa niya cocoa no men ton fa Ghana Cocoa Board because omu wiawo 473 cedis. Omu ya confo per the exchange rate of today 11.75, which means to calculate here omu wiawo 473 cedis 25 pesos. They are stealing your money, your hard-earned money. Omu. So Ghana Cocoa Board, it is either you give the people their money or cocoa no mon ton fa man. Me, I'll call my father and tell him, Boga, this time we are not selling any cocoa. Until these people update their price, we are not selling any cocoa to Ghana Cocoa Board. The cocoa they see them, about they be because you people we are confo. You better pay the cocoa farmers the deserved amount of money or some saka. And you know by Monday they don't be at 12 cedis plus. So we are not talking. It get to 12 cedis 50 pesos. We are going to do a demonstration against the government. So on two cocoa price now, anko any dollar price now pay according to the one because according to them, almost say they are paying that amount because the dollar rate as at that time was 10 cedis 20 pesos, and today the dollar rate is 11.75, meaning automatically and was say update cocoa price now. You understand? They have to update the cocoa price automatically. We are not joking. See, so you cocoa farmer, I'm telling you on authority say this government pay the cocoa price and the exchange rate today, they are stealing you 473 cedis 25 pesos. Omu Herh Ato Forson any Randy Abbey omu di go mo botomedi. Because that is what they said. According to Andy Abbey, say because of the exchange rates nsaka rate no was ras can mu be do and am boy san okan here san okan here is not okan here there then it means they are stealing us today because now the rate cocoa dollar rate is high which means say can mu here then e do where is our money where is our money where is our money boga bring our money how can ansem tv dey am dey so and promise the blogger Ghana Cocoa Board